So we are at Modern Ink Tattoo. My brother and my sister. We're getting tatted today. So we're gonna see what the designs look like as we go. This one's gonna be the first one up, second, and then myself. Yeah, that's absolutely right. So yeah, we're gonna see what it looks like.
Can you take a video? How does it look? This is actually not bad at all. Or maybe the shading that we have. That's not gonna go good.
Yeah.